Today we're showing you our 2022 Honda Odyssey Elite. So it has about every option you need. There's a sunroof. This come out of Phoenix, Arizona. So nice, clean, no rust issues, no big dents or anything. Got Michelin tires on it. Nice thing, Southern ones. The rotors are nice and clean. No corrosion on the wheels. Like I said, highly optioned up. Of course, got a remote start, sunroof, DVD. This is the 8-passenger one, which is nice. Navigation, 78,924. Heated, cooled seats. Heated steering wheel. Adaptive cruise, Bluetooth, of course. There's your sliding doors, rear hatch, memory seats. So just folding mirrors. Both seats are power. Like I said, this is a nice one because you can actually fit 8 people in them. So body's very nice shape, no major dents. A couple little scratches back here on the bumper and a little bit of stress crack on the paint right there. That's the worst spot of the whole thing. So very nice shape. Comes with our 12-month, 12,000 mile comprehensive warranty. And with a Honda, you probably don't need it, but we're still going to give it to you. And this is a very high option, very, very nice van. 605-695-7391 or our office at 605-692-7010.